Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Asifa Putri Maharani, Class Management 22A, NPM 2241131. In this video, I want to tell you about risk and return material. First, understanding. Risk and return are fundamental concepts in finance and investment. These concepts help investors and financial professionals assess the potential benefits and drawbacks of various investment opportunities. Next, concept. Let's delve into each of these concepts. Risk refers to the uncertainty or variability of return associated with an investment. There are various types of risk including: Number 1. Market risk, also known as systematic risk. These risks arise from factors that affect the overall market, such as economic conditions, political events, and interest rate change. Market risks affect all investment to some degree. Next, number 2, specific risks, also called any systematic risk. This risk is specific to a particular investment or company. I can include business-specific factors like management quality, industry competition, and product demand. Number 3, financial risks. These risks associated with a company's financial structure and its ability to meet its debt obligations. High level of debt can lead to financial risk. Number 4, liquid risk. Liquidity risk relates to the ease with which an investment can be bought or sold without significantly affecting its price. Less liquid investments are risks in the regard. Next, credit risk, also known uh, as default risk. Credit risk is the risk that a borrower or issuer will fail to meet their financial obligation. Next, potential risk. Potential risk, this risk associated with changes in government policies, regulation, or geopolitical events that can affect investment, particularly in international markets. Next, return. Return is the gain or loss an investor earns on an investment over a specific period, often expressed as a percentage of the initial investment. There are various types of return including: Number 1, capital gain. The profit made when an investment is sold for a higher price than the purchase price. Number 2, dividend income. Return through dividend paid by stock or other income-generating investment. Number 3, interest income. Return earned through interest payment from bond saving account or other fixed income investment. Number 4, total return. The overall return on an investment, considering both capital gains and income over a specific period. Next, risk objective. Risk objects also known as risk tolerance or risk preference refers to an individual or entity's willingness and ability to take an risk when making investment decisions. Involves assessing how much uncertainty or volatility one is comfortable with and can reasonably handle. Next, return object. Return objects refers to financial goals and the target that individual and entities aim to achieve through their investment. It is typically expressed as a desired rate of return over a specific time period. Next, risks and return benefit. Number one, here an overview of the benefit of considering risks and return. Diversification, number one, by understanding the relation between risk and return, investors can diversify their portfolios. Diversification involves spreading investment across various assets or asset classes to reduce risk. This can help optimize return for a given level of risk. Number two, higher return potential. Generally, investments with higher level of risk have the potential for higher returns. Investors willing to take on more risks may expect greater rewards in the form of capital gains, dividends, or interest income. Number three, lower risk. On the other hand, low-risk investments, such in government bonds or certificates of deposit, provide greater safety of principal but typical over lower returns. The investments are suitable for investors with a lower risk tolerance. Number four, risk management. Understanding this concept of risk of return allows investors to make informed decisions about how much risk they are willing to take. This enables them to align their investment choices with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, time horizon consideration. The relation between risk and return also depends on an investor time horizon. Longer investment horizon might allow for a higher tolerance for short-term volatility and potential for greater returns. Next, education decision making. This is an investor who cares the participants of risk and return are better equipped the, to evaluate the merits of various investment opportunities. They can differ between speculative high-risk investment and conservative low-risk options. Uh, Thank you.